Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
The best place to practice your English.
I'm Lily, and today we have a really fun topic.
I'm Tom, and I love this one.
If this is your first time with us, welcome to the family.
If these lessons help you, please tap the subscribe button. It's free, and it helps us a lot.
We make a new English lesson every single day.
Every day. Even on Mondays. Even when Lily doesn't have her coffee.
Especially when I don't have my coffee. That's when I need you all the most.
True, a Lee without coffee is a scary Lily.
Okay, moving on. Today we have a really good topic. We are talking about self-respect.
Ooh, I like this one. This is important.
It really is, and don't worry, we keep it simple and fun, like always.
And I think one of us has a very embarrassing story today.
Yes, that person is me.
Oh, this is going to be good.
Okay, before I tell my story, I want to ask you something.
Uh-oh, question time.
Have you ever said, "I love it," when you actually hated it?
Oh no.
Think about it while I tell you what happened to me at the hair salon last week.
Wait, is this the haircut story?
This is the haircut story.
Oh, yes. I've been waiting for this.
Okay, so last week I went to a new hair salon.
A new one? Why not your normal place?
My normal place was closed, so I tried a new one. The hairdresser was very nice and very fast.
Too fast?
Oh, way too fast. I said, "Just a little shorter, please. Only a little." And she said, "Don't worry, I know exactly what you need."
That's a scary sentence.
It really is. So she started cutting, snip, 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 very fast, and I watched my hair fall on the floor. More and more and more.
How much hair?
A lot of hair, Tom. So much hair.
Oh no!
And I wanted to say, "Stop! This is too short." But I didn't. I just sat there, quiet, smiling like everything was fine.
Why didn't you say something?
Because I didn't want to be rude. I thought, she's working so hard. I can't say I don't like it.
So what did the haircut look like at the end?
Tom, it was so short. I looked like a completely different person. I looked like my own brother.
Your brother?
My own brother. And then she turned the chair, showed me the mirror, and said, "So, do you love it?"
And what did you say?
I looked at my very, very short hair, and I smiled a big smile, and I said, "I love it. It's perfect. Thank you so much."
No.
Yes, and then I paid, and I even left a tip.
You gave her extra money?
I gave her extra money for making me look like my brother.
Lily, why?
Because I didn't respect myself in that moment. I cared more about her feelings than my own. And I wore a hat for 3 days after that.
Oh, 3 days.
3 days, Tom, in summer.
Okay, but here's the thing. It's just hair. It grows back. But the lesson is bigger, right?
Exactly. The lesson is, it's okay to say what you want. It's okay to say, "No, this is too short," in a kind way. That is self-respect.
You don't have to be rude. You just have to be honest.
Yes, and I promise you, next time I will speak up.
And if you don't, I will come with you and speak up for you.
Please do. Bring a helmet. Okay, let's connect my hair disaster to some grammar.
Yes! Today we look at have to and don't have to.
We use have to when something is necessary. It's a rule or a strong need. For example, I have to go to work.
And don't have to means it is not necessary. You have a choice.
This is perfect for self-respect. Listen, you don't have to say yes to everything.
You don't have to make everyone happy.
You don't have to keep a haircut you hate.
Too soon, Lily. Too soon.
Okay, let's practice. Tom, do I have to smile when I hate my haircut?
No, you don't have to smile. You can be honest.
Good. Now you make one.
Okay, you don't have to answer the phone when you feel tired.
Ooh, that's a good one and very true.
Remember, after have to and don't have to, we use the simple verb, have to go, don't have to answer.
Not you don't have to going, just you don't have to go.
Short, easy, and so useful in real life.
Now, let's learn some important vocabulary about self-respect. 6 words and phrases and one little story for each.
First phrase, speak up. This means you say your opinion even when it feels a little scary.
This is exactly the phrase I needed at the hair salon.
Yes, it was.
But I have a better example. Last month, I was in a meeting at work. Everyone agreed on a bad idea. Everyone.
Everyone but you?
Everyone but me. My heart was beating fast, but I decided to speak up. I said, I think there is a small problem with this plan.
And what happened?
3 other people said, actually, I agree with Lily. They were just too shy to speak up first.
See, when you speak up, you help other people too.
Next phrase, be honest. This means you kindly tell the truth.
Oh, I have a story for this one, and it's embarrassing.
Good. My turn to laugh at you.
Fair. So my friend cooked dinner for me. He made a soup, a green soup.
Green?
Bright green, Lily, and it tasted like grass, wet grass.
Wet grass?
And he said, do you like it? Be honest. So I was honest. Kind, but honest. I said, it's very healthy, but it's not my favorite. Maybe less green next time?
And was he angry?
No, he laughed and said, thank you for being honest. I hated it too.
So you both suffered in silence over grass soup?
Exactly. Honesty saves everyone. Next phrase, say no. Just 2 little words, but so hard for many people.
So hard. I used to say yes to everything.
Everything?
Everything. Lily, can you work this weekend? Yes. Lily, can you help me move my sofa? Yes. Lily, can you watch my cat for 2 weeks? Yes.
2 weeks with a cat that hated you?
2 weeks with a cat that hated me. It hid under the bed and stared at me all day.
The cat had more self-respect than you did.
The cat definitely did. So now I practice. I say, sorry, I can't this time. And you know what? Nothing bad happens. People understand.
No is a full sentence. You don't have to give a long reason.
Next word, deserve. When you deserve something, you have earned it. It is right for you to have it.
Like, I deserve a break.
Exactly. I deserve respect. I deserve good friends. I deserve kind words.
I have a small story. Last year, I helped my neighbor every day. Carry this, fix that, drive here, drive there.
Every day?
Every day. And he never said thank you. Not one time.
Not once?
Not once. So one day I thought, Tom, you deserve a thank you. You deserve a little respect. So I stopped helping so much. And guess what?
What?
Suddenly he started saying thank you. Every time.
Funny how that works.
Next phrase, stand up for yourself. This means you defend yourself when someone is not fair to you.
And a little grammar gift. The past tense of stand is stood. Stand, stood, stood.
Nice. Here's my example. At a shop last week, a man tried to jump in front of me in the line.
Ooh, the line jumper.
The line jumper. And in the past, I would just stay quiet. But this time, I stood up for myself. I said politely, excuse me, I think the line ends behind me.
Ooh, so polite but so strong.
And he said, oh, sorry, and went to the back. Easy. No fighting, just words.
You don't need to be loud to stand up for yourself.
Exactly. Calm, kind, and clear.
Last phrase. Put yourself first. This means sometimes you take care of you before you take care of everyone else.
And this is not selfish, right?
Not selfish at all. Think about an airplane. They say put your own mask on first, then help others.
Oh, that's a great example.
Here's mine. I was so tired one Sunday. A friend called and said, "Let's go to a big party tonight." And I really, really wanted to rest.
So did you go?
No, I put myself first. I said, "Not tonight. I need to rest. Let's meet next week." And I stayed home with tea and a movie.
Oh, and how did you feel?
Amazing. On Monday, I felt like a new person, rested and happy.
When your cup is empty, you can't fill other people's cups.
Beautifully said, Tom. Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
We learned 6 great phrases. Speak up, be honest, say no, deserve, stand up for yourself, and put yourself first.
And we practiced have to and don't have to. Remember, you don't have to say yes to everything.
And the big lesson today, self-respect is not selfish. It's healthy.
It's saying, my feelings matter too. My time matters too.
And sometimes it's just saying, no, this haircut is way too short.
Tom, you promised.
I promised nothing.
Okay. The point is, small moments matter. A haircut, a line at the shop, a green soup. These little moments teach us big things.
Practice these phrases this week and you will feel stronger and more confident.
Now we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments in English using one of today's phrases.
For example, one time I had to stand up for myself when... Finish that sentence.
And be honest with me. If you were in Lily's chair, would you say, "I love it," or would you speak up?
Tom is starting drama in the comments now.
I want the truth. We read every comment and we love your English practice. And that is the end of today's lesson.
If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. We upload a brand new English lesson every single day.
Every day, we're here to help you speak better English with real, natural conversations.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
And remember, you deserve respect. It starts with you.
Speak up, be honest, and take care of yourself.
See you tomorrow, everyone.
Bye-bye. And Lily, your hair looks great today, by the way.
It's a wig, Tom, but thank you.